Hey friends! Have you ever wondered how to make your plants super happy? Well, today, I'm sharing my top secret tips to grow awesome, healthy plants right at home. First up, plants get thirsty just like us. Make sure to water them, but not too much. If the soil feels dry, it's time for a drink. But if it's soggy, let it dry out a bit. Next, plants need sunlight to grow big and strong. Place them near a window where the sun shines in, but not where it gets too hot. Some plants even like a little shade. Don't forget about food. Plants love a sprinkle of plant food or compost, but always ask an adult before you add anything new. And here's a cool trick. Talk to your plants. Yep, you heard me. Plants love when you say hi or sing to them. It might sound silly, but it really helps them grow. Lastly, keep your plant's home nice and tidy. If you see yellow or brown leaves, gently take them off. Your plant will thank you. Taking care of plants is fun, and you get to watch them grow every day. So grab your watering can, find your favorite plant, and let's make some plant magic. Bye-bye, happy gardeners.